Well, it's coming up on the end of the season, and we still got our sights on this one particular bird that we've named all sorts of four-letter words. We've dealt with this bird for the past 2 years, and he always does the same thing. He'll gobble at a distance, especially on the roost. He'll see a decoy and he'll half strut and just kind of sit there like he doesn't really want to come in. He'll be anywhere from 200 yards to 60 yards out, never would come all the way in. No good shot opportunities. Opening day, we had a really nice encounter with this bird. He came in to maybe about 60, 70 yards, but he wouldn't commit, did the same thing he always does.
Bird came in, he gobbled really good till he got to the edge of the field, and he hung up and strutted back and forth on this logging road. Never would commit to the field. Shortly after that, a flock of hens and some young jakes came in, and I thought for sure he'd be right behind them, but he never would commit, skirted the edge of the field and disappeared. But we got a pretty cool show out of the jakes.
We ended up getting on the spot, the very spot that he last would commit to.
It's kind of an odd setup. We've actually got the decoys behind us. He's looking past us. Because if he hangs up 40 yards from the decoy, he's dead. Right.
He gobbled pretty good from the roost, then shut up. Didn't hear anything for about 30 minutes until a coyote sounded off. That got his attention. Then Kip hit the calls several times. He gobbled, came right on up the road.
So this setup is less than ideal for filming purposes. Had it been just Ryan hunting, it would have been a great spot, plenty of cover, nice little hiding spot. But me running the camera, trying to find somewhere for me to hide, was a little bit tougher. I ended up just sitting right behind Ryan and using him to hide. When this bird comes out, my mind's going in two different directions. Get small, hide behind Ryan, but also got to get up so I can film this turkey. And I felt like he was never going to shoot.
Look at that. Time is it? 7:05. 7:05. Big bird down, buddy. I couldn't even see the beard. Look at that hooks on that dude.
That's a big bird. That's a big old...
Yeah, it's April the 30th. Coming down to the end of turkey season. Finally got a big bird down. Not for sure if this is the bird we were hunting last year that gave us such fits, but this is a big old bird. He's got war wounds, broke off a spur. Pretty good setup we had here this morning. Got Kip on the camera, making the right calls. He come in perfect right down this road here. What do I say? It's been a long time coming. I'm happy. Got a good beard on him. And some pretty good hook spurs. Can you see spurs?